Please welcome All Time Low.
There's really just no way of knowing where you're going to go next in the world of All Time Low.
This year marks 2 decades since the band formed. You guys are playing as freshmen in high school.